family. Like finished checking in. Today we are using the 305G. And I must say, this thing right here is bad as a motherfucker. Like, it is extremely bad. You know, you can switch everything over. Right now, actually, I'm about to run the Welder on here, the L25 Lincoln, to do some flux coring. But this thing right here is bad, man. Like, that's all the power you need. Really more than what you need, depends on what you're doing. But this is what we're doing right now, man. Up here lining everything out. About to get ready to get my hog on. Got my stuff out, toolbox open. We're about to get ready to grind. Just let you see this over here real quick. They over here getting it, man. I like to see people grinding. Get to a bag. Hog on.